How did naval blockades impact civil or ironclad warfare strategy? Imagine trying to keep a city sealed off with a wall of ships, stopping everything from entering or leaving. That's what a naval blockade does, and during the Civil War, it played a huge role. The Union Navy set up a blockade along the Confederate coast to cut off their trade routes, especially for cotton exports that funded their war effort. This meant the Confederacy had to find new ways to get supplies and keep their economy alive. At the start, the Union had a big advantage with more ships and better resources. The Confederates, however, had fewer ships and fewer shipyards, so they turned to new technology, ironclad ships covered in iron or steel armor. These ships were much harder to sink with traditional cannons. The idea was to use ironclads to break through the blockade and keep trade flowing. The first famous ironclad was the CSS Virginia, built from a captured Union ship called the Merrimac. The Virginia was designed to attack Union ships and clear the way for Confederate trade. The Union responded quickly by building their own ironclad, the USS Monitor. These two ships fought in the Battle of Hampton Roads in March 1862, marking the first time ironclads faced each other. The battle ended in a draw, but it proved that ironclads could resist traditional guns and changed naval warfare forever. The Union then focused on building more ironclads, especially the Monitor type, which had low profiles and heavy armor. They used these ships to patrol the coast, block ports, and support land campaigns. The Confederacy also built a few ironclads to defend key ports like Charleston and Mobile Bay, but they couldn't match the Union's numbers or firepower. Ironclads made the blockade more challenging for the Union because they could challenge the ships trying to enforce it. Still, the Union's larger fleet and more advanced ironclads kept the blockade mostly effective. Union ironclads also helped attack Confederate forts and supported army operations along rivers and coastlines. In the end, the blockade pushed both sides to innovate. The Confederacy relied on ironclads to try and break the blockade and keep their economy running. The Union used ironclads to strengthen the blockade, attack Confederate ports, and support their overall war plans. This push and pull between blockade and ironclad ships changed how naval battles were fought and set the stage for modern armored warships.